And then another thing in a policy is to identify how many passwords are transmitted. So even by having a strong password, if it's not carried securely, it can be exposed. So while transmitting a password, the application should use encryption. And this is, of course, HTTPS. But not only passwords, but any other sensitive data, such as payment information. So this brings us to yet another problem that we're going to cover in session management. HTTPS shouldn't only be used on login pages, but the entire application. So go to Kali and open up your terminal. And we're going to capture network traffic to watch for credentials that are transmitted. So open up Wireshark by typing and then open up your browser. I'm going to just dock it over here to the right side and go to the BWAP login page. Now, before you log into BWAP, start capturing the traffic on your network interface. So in my case, it is ETH1. So I'll choose it and start a capture by clicking this icon on the toolbar. And then go to the login page. Enter username and password, hit login button. Okay, so we logged in. So now let's go to Wireshark. Now, here's a place that you apply display filters on the capture traffic. So simply type HTTP to view HTTP traffic. As you can see, the first line is the login request that we sent. Click it to choose, and below you can display details about this line. So under this node, there are HTTP-related data. And under this node, you will see the form data has been entered. And you can see it is in clear text. So anyone on the same network can sniff this data. You can also right-click on this line and follow the TCP stream, and then view the HTTP traffic data as we see it in burp. Okay, so now I'm going to close this window and stop capturing. Let's return to the browser again. This time, go to an HTTPS web application, and I'll just open the Twitter login page. And I'll get me a fresh capture. Okay, so enter in some login information here and log in. And you see Wireshark again is capturing the traffic. But this is not raw HTTP. It is encrypted traffic. So I'm going to filter SSL only traffic. And you can see the protocol. It is TLS version 1.2. So this means the data is encrypted. Choose a new line. And from the below pane, open Secure Socket Layer node. And here is the encrypted application data sent over the network. So if you follow TCP stream, you won't see anything. So obviously the point here is, as a pen tester, we need to check if the application data is sent over a secure channel or not. All right? So now we need to report, and we can benefit from this finding as well.